Imagine you're standing on top of a building and then you drop a golf ball. 1 second later, the golf ball would be here. 2 seconds later, it would be here. 3 seconds, and it will hit the ground when it gets to 4 seconds. There's a formula in physics that allows you to work out the distance traveled after a certain amount of time, after a certain amount of t time. So h is a distance traveled. It hits the ground when time equals 4. So you can work out this distance traveled. This distance traveled happens to be the height of the building as well. So to work out h, you need to know g. G is gravity on Earth. So on Earth, gravity is 10. On the Moon, gravity is about 2-ish. So the height, the h is the distance traveled, is given by g t squared over 2, and we know g is 10, so we put a 10 into the g, and time it hits the ground is 4 seconds, so we'll put a 4 into the t. So remember, power is more important than multiplication, so you have to do this first. So 4 squared would be 16, and then you times 10, so times 10, and then you divide it by 2. So 16 times 10 will be 160 over 2, which turns out to be 80. So after 4 seconds, the distance traveled would be 80 meters. So the height of the building is also 80 meters. Okay, so with this formula, you can work out the distance traveled.